Welcome back, cruisers! We continue our updates today with a further 3 new major stories in our popular cruise news updates from cruisehive.com. And starting us off, we have Virgin Voyages just dropped a wild loyalty match promo announced on December the 9th. Now, if you've got status match with more than 35 programs, with cruise lines, hotels and airlines, giving even new Virgin Voyages guests exclusive benefits to enjoy. Carnival, Royal Caribbean, Delta, Hilton, and they'll match it and hook you up with instant blue extras like free premium coffee, laundry and cocktail parties. Now, you've got to apply by January the 16th next year and book by March the 31st. Sailings run through summer 2027 from Miami, San Juan, New York, Barcelona, Athens, LA and Seattle. Basically, Virgin Voyages is saying, we see you, come sail with us, and I'm here for it. Okay, cruisers, quick update. Royal Caribbean just shook up a bunch of Spectrum of the Sea sailings out of Shanghai for 2026. Because of rising China-Japan tensions, Japan stops are getting swapped for South Korea. So the February 18th, 2026 trip is skipping Okinawa and heading to Jeju, with departures bumped earlier to 4 p.m. and return at 6:30 a.m. The February 27th, 2026 sailing is now an overnight in Seoul, in port from 7 a.m, day 3 to 5 p.m, day 4. Other dates like February the 1st, February the 14th, March the 8th and April the 14th are shifting too. So if you're booked, keep an eye on those itinerary updates. And finally, a wild story blowing up online. On December the 9th, a video from Icon of the Seas, the almost 250,000-ton megaship that sailed out of Miami on December the 6th, went viral after a passenger in swim trunks straight up punched a Royal Caribbean crew member on the open decks near the waterslides. The lifeguard-looking crew member didn't hit back, but another officer jumped in and wrestled the guy down before he stormed off. Royal Caribbean's rules are super strict. No fights, no abusive language, and definitely no hitting crew. That can mean getting confined, kicked off, or banned for life. And honestly, judging by the Reddit and Facebook reactions, cruisers are ready to see this guy banned across the whole fleet. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.